Hey Knights, welcome back to PNN. I'm Texas.
And I'm Lila.
I am really excited to be on desk.
Yeah, same. In this episode, we will be taking a look at
the rights and wrongs of Halloween,
Halloween baking,
and the Texas versus OU game. Hey Lila, have you thought about what you're going to be for Halloween?
I always do a family costume, and it's top secret. Do you know what you're going to be?
I'm going to be Gilligan from Gilligan's Island.
Who's that? Well, maybe Texas will get some better ideas from Emily and Rosie.
Hey guys, it's me, Rosie.
And me, Emily.
And today we're showing you the rights and wrongs of Halloween.
First subject is costumes. Right, start ordering your costumes now.
Wrong, get your costumes the day before Halloween and then go to the scramble trying to get them. By the way, this is Diego, and then we have another one, Neely. They're going to be our co-stars for the day.
Now, let's go see some costumes. Don't be like me, guys.
Be like me and Neely, so that way you get the most amount of candy.
Okay, next subject is candy.
Right, get the jumbo size.
Wrong, don't have any candy and have the children revolt against you.
Next subject, decorating your house.
Right, make it so scary all the children run away screaming.
Wrong, make it all cutesy.
Another wrong thing to do is not decorating your house at all. Then you're that lame house with their lights off.
Thank you for listening.
Back to the desk.
The Taco dogs were adorable. Do you want to repick your costume now?
I'm not sure, but I am sure who's going to win the Texas versus OU game.
Next up, Ishita and Everly are going to be interviewing people at Paragon
about how they feel about the Texas versus OU game coming up.
Thanks, Des.
Now for some history on the OU versus UT games.
The rivalry started in 1990 and is called the All-State Red River Rivalry.
They have played 119 games against each other.
UT is winning by 63, OU has 51, and they've tied 5 times out of the 119 games they've played against each other.
The Texas versus OU games bring approximately 200,000 people to the games.
Now we're going to interview some Paragon students to see who they think is going to win.
I think that UT is going to win.
I think UT is going to win too.
We're here with Olivia.
UT or OU? I think UT is going to win.
We're here with Wyatt.
Who do you think is going to win, UT or OU?
UT. Right now they're number one for football, and I think they're going to stay like that. OU's losing this year.
We're here with Margaret.
Who do you think is going to win the UT versus OU game?
UT. Definitely.
Is there a reason why, or are you just UT? They're just better?
Because, they're just better. I'm going to go with that.
Okay. Thank you. We're here with Bright.
Who do you think is going to win the UT versus OU game?
Well, in my opinion, since I'm in the Texas college and I'm clearly wearing Texas shirt, I think Texas is going to absolutely wipe the floor with Oklahoma. Based on how our season is going so far, I don't think this game is going to be close at all. I'm thinking Texas, touchdown after touchdown, absolutely destroying Oklahoma.
Yeah, I think they will too. We're here with Lucia.
Who do you think is going to win the UT versus OU game?
I think Texas is going to win.
Now back to the desk.
Texas fight.
Hook 'em horns.
We all know that Texas is going to win that game.
Hey, Texas, have you ever baked anything for Halloween?
Lila, I don't know how to bake anything.
Well, then you're going to need to watch this segment.
Up next, we have Halloween baking with Rena and Maddie.
Hi, Knights. Welcome back to Bake with Maddie and Rena. The Halloween season is coming up, which means it's also candy time. We thought instead of getting store-bought candy, you could make it at home. Today, we'll be making homemade Mummy Rice Krispie treats. Let's get to it. First, add butter into a large pan and add your marshmallows.
Chip puffed.
This is what it looks like melted.
Yay! Now add your marshmallows.
Stir it around.
Once your marshmallows are melted, put the Rice Krispie cereal in the pan.
Sounds yummy. Next, spread in a large pan and let it cool for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
They're done.
Now cut them into rectangles. You know what it's time for?
Decorating! We're making the mummy theme, but you can make them whatever you want. Icing time!
We're gonna add powdered sugar.
And milk. It should be thin enough to drizzle.
If the icing is too thick, add more milk. And if the icing is too thin, add more powdered sugar.
Now drizzle the icing on.
Add some sprinkles.
And eyes to give it the mummy touch. Cheers! Enjoy!
Mmm,
These are what ours look like.
they look so cute.
Yummy.
These are your baked chefs,
Maddie,
and Rena.
signing off.
Bye!
Now I know what to bake for Halloween. Those Rice Krispie treats made me feel hungry.
Well, that's all we have for today, Nights. Thanks for tuning in our third episode of the year.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this video with your friends.
Until next time, happy listening, happy early Halloween, and remember, work hard, play hard, and be kind.
Hook 'em horns.
Scene 4, take 8.
Action.
Now I know what to bake for Halloween. Those Rice Krispie treats made me feel hungry. Okay.
You're gonna do it seated.